Good morning, students. Today the date is May 1st and the day is Friday. I hope you all are fine at home. Today we will continue with exercise 2.6. The very first question is solve the following equations. Question number 1. 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Now 8x minus 3 remains same and this 3x will be multiplied to the right side, that is 2 multiplied by 3x. 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 3s the 6x. 8x. Now we will transpose the variable terms to the left side. 8x minus 6x and the constant terms to the right side is equal to 3. 8x minus 6x is equal to 2x is equal to 3 and the value of x is equal to 3 by 2, which is the required answer. Question number 2. Z upon z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. In this question, cross multiply the terms. 9 will be multiplied to z. It will be 9z is equal to 4 is multiplied with z plus 15. 9z is equal to 4 multiplied to z is 4z plus 15 4s the 60. Now 9z, 4z will be transposed to the left side. Minus 4z is equal to 60. 9z minus 4z is 5z is equal to 60 and z is equal to 60 divided by 5. 12 5s the 60. So z is equal to 12 is the answer. Question number 3. 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Again cross multiply the terms, that is 5 into 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2 minus 6y. 5 3s the 15y plus 5 4s the 20 is equal to minus 2 multiplied by plus 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 6y is plus 12y. Now arrange the variable terms to the left side. 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20. It was plus 20, so right on the right side it will be minus 20. 15y minus 12y is 3y. Minus 4 minus 20 is minus 24 and y is equal to minus 24 divided by 3. 3 8s the 24, so the value of y is minus 8, which is the required answer. Students, question number 4 is statement question. Firstly, we will make the equation. The question is, the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Students, in this case, the ratio of the ages of Hari and Harry is given. So we will simply let the age, present age Hari and Harry. Let Hari's present age It is 5:7, so Hari's age will be 5x. 5x years, and Harry's present age will be 7x years. Next condition is 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be. It means after 4 years, the Hari's age will be 5x plus 4 and Harry's age will be 7x plus 4. So firstly, we will write the age after 4 years. Hari's age is equal to 5x plus 4 years, and after 4 years, Harry's age is equal to 7x plus 4 years. According to question, after 4 years, the ratios of the ages of Hari and Harry will be 3:4. It means, according to question, 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. Now this is the required equation. We will solve this equation same as we done in the previous questions. 4 will be multiplied to 5x plus 4 and 3 will be multiplied to 7x plus 4. 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20x plus 4 the 16. 3 sevens the 21x. 3 fours the 12. Now arrange the variable terms and the constant terms. 20x minus 21x is equal to 12 minus 16. 20x minus 21x will be minus x. 12 minus 16 is minus 4. Minus minus cancelled each other. X is equal to 4. Now as we are to find the present ages of Hari and Harry. Present age Hari is 5x and Harry is 7x. So Hari's present age is equal to 5x. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 years. Harry's present age is equal to 7x. 7 multiplied by 4, that is 28 years. So the present age of Hari is 20 years and Harry is 28 years. Question number 5. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number so obtained is 3/2. Find the rational number. Students, a rational number is that which can be expressed as P by Q form, where P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. As the condition is given, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So, firstly we will let the numerator of a rational number is equal to x. The denominator is greater than the numerator by 8. So the denominator will be of rational number will be x plus 8. So the rational number is numerator upon denominator, that is x upon x plus 8. Now the condition is if the numerator is increased by 17, that is according to question numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. The denominator is x plus 8. This is decreased by 1 means minus 1. And the rational number so obtained is equal to 3 by 2. So simplify the term. This is x plus 17 upon x plus 8 minus 1 is 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Cross multiply the terms. 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. That is 2x plus 17 2's the 34. 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 7's the 21. Simplify the equation. 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. So minus x is equal to 21 minus 34 is minus 13. Minus and minus cancel each other, so x is equal to 13. We are to find the rational number. The rational number is x upon x plus 8. So the rational number is equal to x upon x plus 8, that is 13 upon 13 plus 8, that is equal to 13 upon 20. 1 is the required answer. So students, this is all about exercise 2.6 and also the last exercise of this chapter. Complete this chapter. I'll also send the assignment of this chapter, solve and ask your problem in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.